Hey guys, we received this Vilros Raspberry Pi 4 complete starter kit for test and try. It includes Raspberry Pi 4 board, fan cooled case, 64 gigs of preloaded micro SD card and 8 GB clear transparent case. So this is a whole kit to set up your Raspberry Pi 4. So let me just open this and show it to you. So you can see everything is individually packed and it's a combination for everything. So this is a 2.4 or 5 gigahertz wireless Bluetooth 5.0 micro SD card slot, 2-lane MPI DSI display port, and 4-pin general purpose input or output header with PoE hat header. So this is the nice pouch, as you can see, that comes with it, where you can store your Raspberry Pi things, and also have this micro SD card. Let me just take this out. So this is the transparent case with the fan support for the heating thing. So it can hold your Raspberry Pi and other things. So I will show that later on. But this is a nice clear case, and every port and all these things are provided. So it will be easy to set up. This is the HDMI cable from display port to HDMI for setting up the things. So everything is provided, so you can easily set up. You need your monitor or the display to set this up. This is the main Raspberry Pi 4 board, and this board is great in a sense that it have this 2-lane MPI CSI camera port and the 2x micro HDMI port with the USB-C power port and the 4-pole stereo audio and a 2 USB 2.0 and 2-lane MPI or the DSI display port. So this have a real combinations of almost like everything. This is the power adapter with the USB-C cable, and this is the micro SD card reader. So here you can use it for your PC or anything if you want to additional micro SD card or with a more storage. So here opening this case is pretty straightforward. The stickers, and this is the fan connection. I have the inbuilt fan for the heat dissipation, heat sink things that comes separately with this micro SD card reader, where you can put in the SD card to read. So here you can see, like, can easily put in this micro SD card in and then use. Also, like, this one is pretty straightforward to put, just match the ports and the hooks. So you can see here the USB 3.0, 3.2 and USB 2.0. Along with this, you can just match the port in with the slot, so it will easily fit in the case once you hear like a click sound. And then you can easily put in this. So this is the fan where you can connect it with a different wire. So the manual is provided. I'm just putting it as an example for now, but you can put it based on your need, like the quiet fan or the more powerful one. Just be sure about this cable thing that they are all inside, and then you can close this case. So once this case is closed, this is the whole PC now with the port in. So small PC with the cover case and then everything in here. So with the micro SD card, this is ready to go. And then, as I said, like, there are the different things that you can use. So this is the display HDMI cable. So I will just put it in a monitor and then show it to you. So this is also easy to carry with this supplied case, and then you can put in the micro SD card and stuff in here and put all this charging and the port. So the carrying is easy, and let me just pack and take it to the table setup for the monitor and stuff. So attach this with the monitor, as you can see it from here. So there is a power supply, so it started and it's showing the connection. Also I'm adding this USB keyboard and the mouse. So this is the monitor and it is showing a good HD display, and it's instantly started with this Raspberry Pi thing. I also added a wireless keyboard and the mouse, so it's easy for me to work on it. So you can just choose like the state or the country, the English, like whatever the language, and you can then set it up. So pretty nice thing and very small PC that you can choose, and it will just update. It have the Wi-Fi, so I just connected it through the Wi-Fi, and it also have the LAN port, so you can also use the LAN connection if you want to, and you can just add in to use the directly with the LAN, like the wired connection, or you can also use it with the wireless connection. And I'm just using a wireless connection for now so that I can see like the speed, and this is pretty good, and taking the commands and stuff pretty nicely, and also um, the working perfectly fine with the display and stuff. So two USB 3.2, two USB 2.0, so it's pretty nice port. And you can also attach the speaker, external speaker, with the audio port. So this is pretty nice thing, and I installed the Firefox on it, so I can use it through the internet, as you can see. So the connections and everything is all good. With the case is pretty easy with the heat dissipation thing, and also like all this kit is very helpful in setting up it. So overall this is a really nice kit, Raspberry Pi 4 kit for the starters and to start your things, and good for the kids learning, and also for the adults to check everything about Raspberry Pi.